Hi traders, in today's video I am going to talk about prop trading again because I see most traders still don't understand the business of prop trading firms at all. And I think it is the same kind of topic that I started to talk about on my channel 4 years ago when I started. And it was brokers, like the best looking brokers. They turned out, they always turned out fake, and they did everything under the surface to make sure traders actually don't make a single penny. I have to tell you, I figured something. It is not just that it is very, very similar. I was just thinking about it, and I don't know how I didn't realize it earlier. It is not just similar, it is the same. It is the same kind of business. It is almost the same business. Prop trading firms and market maker brokers are the same exact business. Let me tell you why. It is because, just think about it. With a bad market maker, broker, which most of them in the market to make you lose your money because that money is going to their pockets. If you think about it, prop firms, most prop firms, it is a truth. Most prop firms, 90% of the prop firms now on the market, they are actually not even real funds. They most of the time don't even have the money. What they have is like accounts that are trading against their prop traders. And when you lose money, it is their money. So you just give them free money. And not just, of course, not just the challenge fee, but everything. When you make money from the markets, and I'm going to tell you why they are not actually the markets. When you make money and they have to split it with you, most prop firms lose money at that point, so they are going to make it very difficult. But as every good pyramid scheme and MLM business, they know they have to pay out at the beginning. They have to pay out because otherwise traders won't invest with them. And both my forex funds and TFF are in the same category of scam because they stole so much money from traders in challenge fees and other ways that now their funders have $1 million luxury items, homes, cars, everything in the world. And most of the time, these are small time scammers who just copy the platforms of other pro firms, and it is just a copy paste scheme. I don't know if you already realized that. If you take a look at like like 20 prop firms, you are going to see something very suspicious. Basically, almost all of them have the same kind of website, the same objectives, the same structure, and everything is the same or almost the same. Even the descriptions are the same. They don't even take they don't even work to scam traders like good, like they don't even invest in it because they know there are many desperate traders, people in the world, and they think prop trading is the business where they are going to make money, buy a home, just simple things. They don't even aim, most traders don't even aim for like luxury items at this point. They just want to make a decent amount of side money, or you know, or they just dreaming about quitting their day jobs, or so. And these pro firms know exactly that these people are desperate. So if you offer, basically sell the dream for them, they will buy their challenges. And I know this exactly because I refuse to sell any dreams. I always tell exactly how it is, how probable it is. And I have to tell you, I know because I did researches and stuff, because I am interested in numbers. I'm a man of numbers. If I would sell the dream in courses, in like insane EAs that are making like tens of thousands of percents of um, profits in a year, I would be a fucking millionaire. Okay, but I refuse to do that. So I am working closely with all the customers of my EAs. I am working on improvements, and I am working to make strategies, profitable in the real market, and that is very hard. It is one of the hardest jobs. But if you just want to scam traders, it is one of the easiest jobs, because traders want to believe in a dream. They want to believe that they can, you know, quit their jobs and stuff. And these pro firms take advantage of this 100%. And for example, my Forex funds approximately made like $300 million just from the challenge fees, and it went into the pocket of only a handful of people, who founded this stuff, this prop firm. It is not even a prop firm. Prop firms, these online prop firms, are most of the time not even prop firms, but only like some kind of a broker, a market maker broker, that gives kind of a liquidity to traders, to trade against them and take all their money. And it is the same as market maker. It is the same business as market maker brokers. And back in the days, I was talking about that all day long, like the ECM versus market maker brokers. And with prop firms, it is the same. When a prop firm offers you the best, like the crazy deals, uh, constantly, like it is their business to provide these insane claims, and you have to run, because it turned out that most pro firms are using softwares secretly to make your entries of your positions the worst possible, and they do everything to make you unprofitable. And although there are extremely low number of traders who are actually profitable, they even make them to fail. And if it is not successful, they kick them out of their program. Like when you make money in a casino, like a huge amount of money, they don't let you run with the money. It is not how it works. And most pro firms, I would say, if we take all the pro firms into account, all the professional ones as well, like 90% of them are like casino pro firms. So you gamble a little bit for a fee, and most likely you are going to lose your account after a short period. And if you don't, you are going to be kicked out. And in very rare cases, you can stay alive for longer period of time, but not decades or anything like that. No, no, no. It is a tough business. There are actually reputable, good prop firms out there, but they cost money. They cost much more money than the prop firms that are there for just a shorter period of time and then they go bankrupt or they get terminated. Like TFF got their licenses, as by Meta Courts because they did bad things and they didn't comply with policy and stuff. I think it's the same kind of scam as always. And I just want to tell you to be very careful in prop trading. And when something seems too good to be true, it is too good to be true. Unfortunately, it is just unfortunate. Um, Prop trading is actually a business that has a very long history, but online prop trading has a very very short history. And the online prop trading that is now called online prop trading has an extremely short history, and every day multiple prop firms are funded. I could open a prop firm at any point, and YouTubers also do that because the big money, unfortunately, is at other traders' expense. If you open a prop firm, most of the time you are not looking for profitable traders and competent traders, as they claim, like I make money when you make money and stuff. No, most of the time you make money when you take the challenge fees and other people's money. And after a while, you are going to go bankrupt and you are going to disappear with all the money and luxury items. And in very rare cases, when it is a huge, thing and everybody is looking at that particular prop firm, maybe in a very rare cases, uh, you will be punished in some way. But yeah, it is now a very unregulated business. I don't say I don't recommend to try prop trading, but really be really careful when you are choosing the prop firms, because there are 10% of prop firms that are actually prop firms and that are reputable and that are legit, but they are not the shiniest ones. The same as with brokers. The best looking brokers are always the worst ones. And yes, I think I'm going to make these videos about this industry for a long time. And even if just a few percent of traders are really just think about this stuff after watching my video, I reached my goal, because this is my goal. I hope this video was interesting for you. If you are interested in more detail about the TFF and MFF scandals, or the prop trading industry, or some of the reputable or and legit prop firms in the industry, I'm going to make some videos about that as well. Just let me know in the comments. Ciao.